Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 11.1 question number 7. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 cm. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 cm, find its length. Also find the area of the rectangle. Suppose this is a rectangle. Suppose this is a rectangle. Right? Let the length of the rectangle be L and the breadth is given as 30 cm. And perimeter is given as 130 centimeter, right? Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter, perimeter of the rectangle is perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 130 centimeter. Let the length of the rectangle be L, and we know that perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, and perimeter given as 130 centimeter. Therefore, this is equal to 130 centimeter, right? Or you can write or 2 into L plus breadth is given as 30 centimeter. 30 is equal to 130. Or this can be written as or L plus 30 is equal to 130 divided by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 12, 2 5 is 10, 65. Or L can be written as 65 minus 30. If we subtract it, we'll get L as, or L is equal to 5 3 4 5 6 35 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the rectangle is 35 centimeter. 35 centimeter. Right? Therefore, the length of the rectangle. Therefore, the length of the rectangle. Therefore, the length of the rectangle. Therefore, the length of the rectangle is 35 centimeter. Length of the rectangle is 35 centimeter. Now we'll find the area of the rectangle. We know that area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. What is the length? Length is 35 and breadth is 30. And the unit will be centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. If we multiply 35 with 30, we are getting 35 with 30. Multiply this one, then we are getting, this is 0, 3 5 is 15, carry 1, it is 5, and 3 3 9 plus 1 10, it is 1050. Therefore, we are getting 1050 centimeter square, right? Therefore, the area of the rectangle is 1050 centimeter square, right? Therefore, area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle area of the rectangle is equal to 1050 centimeter square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.